Their second win with a victory over the afternoon, and welcome to our post-game press conference and join our winning coach, Coach John Chico, and our best player of the game, JP Bayo. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach John, at the top of the coverage, expressed how important it was for us to extend the rotation to maintain the average league and intensity of the players. But in doing so, we also saw new players shine as they were inspired stories today. Was JP. Just exactly how does the inclusion of these young ones complement the game of the veterans?
Yeah, we need, aside from the veterans, like what you said, we also need young players to give the energy, even when the veterans are out, then they give another dimension to our game. It also challenges the veterans to play as hard as the young ones do, and vice versa also. So it's a good mix of veterans and the younger ones.
Thank you, Coach John. JD, coming off the bench with limited minutes, nagkaroon ka talaga ng impact sa floor. Ano po opportunities ang nakita mo or na-create ng mga veterans para sa iyo that helped you make 6 out of 9 point shots on the floor on top of 12 rebounds per base game?
Sabi na binibigay ko lang yung best ko. Di ko lang sinasayang yung opportunity na binibigay ni Coach John. Yun nga, binibigay ko lang yung 100% ko.
Thank you, JD. Now we would like to open the floor for friends from the press.
Congratulations. Kumusta yung transition ko since lumaki ka sa Mexico pagka ng NCB State mo?
Nung last conference, nakalaro lang ako ng 5 games. After ng 5 games, na-enjoy ako. Maraming adjustment sa akin kasi nga coming from NCAA and PBA, iba yung PBA. Malalaki yung katawan. Yun nga na doble trabaho sa weight room and sa extra work.
Saka ngayon doon, hindi gusto test type po sa ano mo kasi laro mo?
Sa akin, hindi ko iisip yung laro. Sa akin lang, focus lang ako sa mga rules na ni Coach John. Yun nga, yung aggressive sa defense at sa rebounding ko. Bonus lang sa akin yung mga extra points.
So, last video, you're asked about ENT na you're expecting na like, may see yung break nila, paano the championship na yung pa rin ipapakita nila. Do you think they were at least close to support nila or just a bad break for them?
Siyempre, alam natin na may sila yung practice time nila. Nandun pa rin naman yung sistema nila, hindi nagbabago. Pero siyempre, coming off yung championship, tapos ilang araw lang nakapag-practice. May kasabihan nga yung hangover sa championship. May ganun talaga eh. But in due time, makaka-recover din naman. Swerte nga rin kami na sila yung first game namin, medyo nakakapa pa sila. So, ano rin kami, na-timing din.
About yung collective effort sa offense ang daming score and
yeah, that is what we are trying to achieve naman. Diba? Kaya ni JB, naka-score siya kasi he works on his game. Yung mga individuals' offensive skills ng player, they work extra hours before and after practice para makapag-contribute sila offensively. Of course, yung defensive rules natin, siyempre, yun ang pinagtatrabuhan natin, how they will be able to adapt to the defensive rules. Yun, nakaka-adjust naman sila. So, yeah, sabi ko nga, maganda yung pinapakita as a team. Maganda yung pinapakita as a team. And then, I think we are in that process na unti-unti na makakarating tayo naman.
Coach, you've beaten the semi-finalists from last conference. Do you think this is a good omen, good sign for your team?
Wala naman games yun. Think about this. When we played Rainer Shine, it was their first game. Not to take credit out of the team, but they played also well. But of course, coming off first game Rainer Shine and then first game TNT, that's also a factor na gano'n yung laro nila. Pero ganito rin yung laro natin. So, it works both ways. I'm happy with what we are playing. Consistency is the key next and keep on improving. Because after this one, hindi na first game yung mga kalaban natin, nakapaglaro na sila.
Coach, kung lang itong may then after this 9 days before your next game, we go against the quarter sa Atlanta. So, how will you meet again another game?
Practice. Practice and practice. That's the only way to get better is practice. Maybe you might give some time off to the players that play long minutes, but the rest, you take a 1 day off and you practice. That's good also when you have young players. Yung isang araw pahinga, they can go at it right away.
Coach, when you look up, paano yun ako kasi JB Bayo, alam naman natin. Pero mga nag-grab sa kanya. Yun, kwenta nyo lang.
Siya, actually, hindi kami ang hindi ba kumukuha sa'yo? Kasi may kumukuha sa kanya, under contract pa siya noon sa MPBL, di ba? Tama, di ba? Under contract pa siya. So, when we found out na expired na siya, na-timingan lang namin na expired na siya. Pero hindi kami yung unang kumukuha kay JB. Ba't hindi unang kumukuha siya? Token text. Pero under contract pa siya nun eh. Token text ang kumukuha sa kanya. Under contract pa siya. So nung nag-expire siya, na-timingan lang namin ng pag-expire ng kontrata niya. So nakuha namin si JB.
JB, ano nangyari ba? Hindi ka naman pinalikan ng token text sa MPBL na
after nung season namin 2 years ago sa Pampanga, dapat sa kanila na hindi ako na-release ko. Tapos bali 2 beses ako sila tapos nung after sa Pampanga na-IC na ako sa PDM. Dapat nung July pa lang ata pinapasama na nila ako sa training camp. Tapos yun, hindi na naman po ako na-release doon sa NYC. Kailangan ko daw tapusin kahit tinapos yung season ko doon sa PBL. Tapos yun, after nung PBL, yun, po ako ni Coach Jongbo na in-invite na mag-training. Yun po.
Kasi iba yung kailangan na kumuha ng ibang player yung TNT nun eh. So may kinuha sila. Yun, timing lang talaga. Timing lang si JB sa akin.
JB, kaya ba maganda na po ngayon dahil TNT yung marami?
Hindi ko na po iniisip yun eh.
Kasi naging coaches ni Yuri. Kaya si Yuri yung sa TNT, kunin natin si JB bago. Yun.
That sums over post-game press conference. Thank you. Congratulations once again to the Athletics.
Thank you.